How do I detect a click outside an element? I have some HTML menus, which I show completely when a user clicks on the head of these menus. I would like to hide these elements when the user clicks outside the menus area. Is something like this possible with jQuery? Note: using stop event propagation is something that should be avoided as it breaks normal event flow in the DOM. Attach a click event to the document body which closes the window. Attach a separate click event to the container which stops propagation to the document body. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn JavaScript. We have a number of awesome tutorials in the works.